Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by finding where Explorer is being launched. Open Task Manager, go to Startup, and disable any unexpected entries. This stops automatic starts. Once done, open the startup folders with Win+R and check both your user and the common startup. Remove shortcuts to Explorer. EXE. Next, open Task Scheduler and search for tasks that call Explorer at logon, disable, or edit them. These steps remove the usual automatic triggers, so you catch the source before changing system settings. Now you'll inspect the registry to remove hidden launch points. Run regedit as admin and back up the registry first. This prevents accidental damage. In hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/run, delete any value that launches Explorer. EXE at login. Then check HKLM for system-wide entries. Also open HKLM/software/Microsoft/Windows/NT/current version/WinLogin and confirm shell. Finish by rebooting and verifying that Explorer no longer opens on startup. If it's fixed, re-enable one startup item at a time to find the culprit. If the problem persists, create a new user account and log in. This isolates whether the issue is profile-specific. If changes caused instability, restore the registry backup you made or run system restore to a prior point. This safely rolls back edits. One key troubleshooting tip. Use auto runs for a deeper scan if Explorer still launches unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.